Hi everyone, welcome to Suvi's Journalism. My name is Suvi and this is my channel, and I'm passionate about helping you make the best choices when it comes to your health and skincare. In today's video, I'm going to give you some useful tips on how to use a home RF radio frequency device such as this one. You may wonder, what is radio frequency and how can it benefit your skin? Radio frequency, or RF, is a form of electromagnetic radiation that can be used to heat the deeper layers of your skin. Heating the deeper layers of your skin causes contraction of the collagen fibres, as well as stimulating new collagen fibres to be produced. This bulk heating strategy can benefit your skin by inducing low-grade thermal damage, thereby encouraging quicker cell turnover, improving circulation and lymphatic drainage, and stimulating fibroblasts to produce more collagen. If you've ever had an RF treatment, you'll know that the treatment involves heating your skin to a temperature of 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. Professional in-clinic RF devices are powerful and can heat your skin to this temperature quite quickly. The problem with home RF devices is that you need to go a lot slower in order to heat your skin to the required 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. The skin across your forehead and under and above your eyes can heat up relatively quickly, but your cheeks and jowls will take a lot longer. In some cases, you need to hold the device in one place for a minute or more before you feel any heating effect at all. So, my first tip is, if you're going to use a device like this, get two. This way you can do both sides of your face at once, thereby cutting your treatment time in half. I do both sides of my neck at once as well. But how do you know how much to heat up your skin at home? My advice is to go with your comfort level. Heat your skin to a point where it's starting to feel quite warm, but not unbearably hot. When I treat my face using both devices, I usually do 10 minutes on my forehead, 10 minutes around my eyes, 20 minutes on my cheeks and jowls, and 10 minutes on my neck. You need to use a conductive gel like this when you're using an RF device. Because RF can enhance the absorption of serums into your skin, my second tip for you is to apply a hyaluronic acid serum onto your skin before the gel. Allow the serum to absorb into your skin for 5 minutes first, then apply the gel and do your treatment. Even if you wash off the gel afterwards, that beautiful hyaluronic acid serum that you applied initially will have absorbed into your skin, giving you all the plumping and hydrating benefits of the serum. My third tip for you was given to me by a dermal therapist. Rather than just going up and down or in a semicircle around your cheeks, what you really want to be doing with the device is pushing the flesh of your cheeks upwards towards your cheekbone like this. So you're manually sculpting your face into that desired V shape. When I'm doing it, I push my cheek upwards with the device and then just leave the device in that one spot for up to a couple of minutes at a time to really heat up that skin and encourage a contraction of the collagen fibres. This technique can really work, and I notice an improved plumping of my skin and a better V shape to my face on the days when I've used my devices in the morning. Which brings me to the final question: how often should you use your at-home device? Studies have found that most people notice an improvement in skin tightening and wrinkle reduction with at least 5 times per week use of an at-home device. But results will vary according to the individual and which at-home device is being used. There are more powerful at-home devices on the market than these ones if you're willing to spend the money. These only cost me about $100 each. As you can see, they're a bit worn, but that's just testament to how long they can last for, because I'm still using them after 3 years. Even if you buy a pricey at-home device, it's best to be realistic and view them more as maintenance rather than a primary treatment. If you're looking for a noticeable lift or visible skin tightening, then in-clinic treatments are still your best bet to achieving that result. But what can work quite well is if you combine the two. Have the in-clinic treatments and use your at-home device in between. Not only will you require less in-clinic treatments in the long run, but you'll keep your skin reinvigorated by encouraging that quicker cell turnover, improved circulation and lymphatic drainage, and increased collagen production. Your skin will be healthier as a result, and healthy skin is attractive skin regardless of age. Well, I'm going to take my makeup off now just using my micellar water before I do the treatment, and once my makeup's off I'll then apply the hyaluronic acid gel. But yeah, I just use a micellar water. You can also do this treatment, and this works very well, if you do it first thing in the morning before you've had a shower. So you just get up, your skin's pretty clean anyway because you've just got your moisturiser on overnight. Just you don't really even have to clean that off, to be honest. I usually do it first thing in the morning. I'll get up, I'll put some hyaluronic acid onto my skin, do the treatment, I'll then put the gel on, do the treatment, get in the shower, wash the gel off, and then put my normal skincare on for the day. Okay, so that's off, and then I'll just pop the hyaluronic acid on, and I'll allow that to absorb for about 5 minutes, just so it goes nice and deep into my skin before I put the gel on. Doing these treatments are so good though. Like I really notice it improves your blood circulation. I think it's good for every layer of your skin, to be honest. Good for your facial muscles, I think, to just give them that nice massage and stimulation. And you can put it on your eyes as well. Okay, well, I'm just going to leave that sit for 5 minutes. And one thing I didn't mention in the video earlier actually about these devices is that yes, they're radio frequency, but the other really good thing I love about these ones is that it's also got red light and infrared light in it too. And for anyone that knows about the benefits of red light for skin, you know, red light therapy, and clinics often use red light therapy, it's so good for your skin. It basically just gives it a little sort of boost. The scientists say that red light is a mild stressor for cells. So again, you're sort of giving your cells that slight little kick up the backside, saying, you know, like, get moving, do your thing.